keep in mind when you're doing this job after you're done, you're going to want to go to a local garage and have the vehicle aligned so you don't have premature tire wear. Take the wheel off. I'm going to use a 21mm socket. Remove the wheel. I'm going to loosen up this jam nut. I'm going to use a 17mm wrench. And it's loose now. Just use a little rust penetrant in here. Soak that down for a little bit. I'll use a 14mm socket. Take that nut off. And just take a hammer and just hit it out. Just give it a tap. Now I'm going to remove the outer tie rod. Just count the turns when you take it out. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Just so that you know where it was when you go to put it back together. 4, 5, 17, 18, 19, 19. And just take the tie rod in and just count the turns. 1, 2, 3, 17, 18, 19. Just move the jam nut a little closer. And I'll just take this casting nut off first. And slide it into the knuckle. Put the casting nut back on. And torque this nut to 25 foot-pounds. And take the new cotter pin and line it up. Use some side cutters. Just bend the tab over. You can cut off the excess. And just use a 18mm wrench. Tighten up the jam nut. If you have the ability to torque this to 31 foot-pounds. Put the wheel back on. And the lug nuts. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.